Hey lads, TechScanning here. Snapchat is loaded with tons of features like you can do text messages, calls, take quick pictures and more. But in today's video, I'm gonna talk about the hidden Snapchat features that most of the users don't even know. So let's get started. Do you know why using the Snapchat you don't have to install the Shazam app to discover the music playing around you? And it's super simple. Open Snapchat and here when the camera is on, tap and hold on to the camera screen. Within no time, the music title will appear on your screen, and if you tap on the title, it will show the complete lyrics of the song. What's more, if you go into the Snapchat settings and here tap on the Shazam, you can see the whole list of music that you found using the Snapchat. There is more. You can also use the Snapchat scanning feature for different things like first tap and hold for the scanning features, then swipe this up and here you can select to discover a song, solve math problems, identify dogs breeds, scan products barcodes, identify plants and more. So if you are bad at recalling your friend's birthday, then don't worry, Snapchat got you there. So for this, open Snapchat camera, down here tap on the explore button. Now here search for the birthday countdown. And pick this one. Now tap on the start. Here we go. You will be able to see all your Snapchat friends' birthday. So you don't want to lock the Snapchat app but instead want to hide the certain snaps. And guess what? Snapchat can let you do that. So here tap on the Snapchat gallery. Now swipe to the left until you found my eyes only tab. Here it is. Set it up. But don't you dare to forget the passcode, otherwise you won't be able to recover your private snaps. After setting up the password, it will show your password, then just confirm it and continue. And here we go, finish. Right now it's empty so there is nothing to show. Now let's try it. Open a snap and then tap on these three dots and then select hide snap, my eyes only. And here we go. Now you can safely delete this snap and then go back to my eyes only tab and here it is. Our private snap is here, which is only accessible to who has the password. So you want to write like this on your snap and it's right here in your Snapchat. So first take the shot. Now tap on this pen button and then this emoji button. Now select which one you want to use and that's it. Start writing on the screen. So you are not happy with the emojis that Snapchat shows right next to your super best friend or besties? Yes, you can change them. For that, go to Snapchat settings, then look for the customize emoji. Here you can easily change the emoji you want to use. There are thousands of emojis and you can select any you want to use. Like, don't want to use this fire emoji for Snapchat streak, you can pick any from these tons of emojis. So which one of the tricks you knew before? Let me know down in the comment section. For more smartphone apps, tips and tricks, do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.